What's up, guys? It's Brad from the OldSols here. Just wanted to do a quick shout out to everybody on Reddit and Instagram. Thanks for following us. Thanks for all the support. Hopefully get you guys more content soon. Been a little busy, but we got kind of a hodgepodge video right now. We did the side skirts this week. We put in the OEM radio. Got a little B-roll footage. Shout out to all my other OldSols guys. California, Florida, Colorado, Alabama, and Nebraska. Thank you guys for all the support. Been a crazy ride so far. Can't wait to keep making this YouTube content and everything else that goes along with it. Peace.